Did you hear what they said about her?
I saw a headline.
I saw a headline.
Somebody sent me the link.
They said she was.
I
I
heard from
heard
so
from
and
so
so.
and so. Someone posted it on the group
I mean, we
chat.
was already. But did you actually see it, or did you just hear it from someone who heard it from someone who repeated it?
Rumors are loud, but the record is clear. I'm a graduate of Tuskegee University and a graduate of the Syracuse University College of Law. I passed the New York bar, I passed the Texas bar, and I'm licensed to practice law in both states. I served as a prosecutor in New York and Texas for nearly 8 years before the people of Dallas County elected me to serve as a Texas State District Judge almost 11 years ago. On the bench, I didn't just preside, I served the people. In 2016, when I learned that court assignments were vulnerable to outside influence, I spearheaded an anti-forum shopping clause so victims and those accused would receive a judge assigned by law, not picked by law enforcement and not selected by a prosecutor. In 2017, I testified before the Texas legislature in Austin, advocating for a judicial clemency written admonishment requirement so more people could actually access their right to clear their record. In 2018, my rulings in a murder case out of Mesquite didn't just resolve one case, they actually gave birth to the Richard Miles Act, a law requiring police to preserve and turn over all evidence. And when the Richard Miles Act wasn't enough in 2023, I sounded the alarm again about a widespread problem with missing evidence. That warning led to a Dallas Police Department audit, which uncovered even more missing evidence and deleted videos in additional cases. And in 2020, I spearheaded the first legal representation anti-discrimination clause in the United States to ensure people's rights were not trampled. So when people repeat rumors about me, ask yourself why they never mention the work. I know some people might call it bragging to name your accomplishments like this. I call it accuracy. These are degrees earned, bars passed, years served, laws impacted, rights protected, and when the record speaks for itself, all that's left is the truth. So instead of rumors, I wanted to give you all facts. You know, something real to talk about when you mention my name. I'm not defined by what people say about me. I'm defined by the work that I've done for the people of Dallas County, Texas.